How to fix you don't have permission to save in this location error on Windows. 1. Modify folder permissions and get the full control. Hint, for starters, try some ownership taking tool on the web. 2. Change the folder's owner. Note, you can do this only when you logged in your system as admin. 3. Run the app as admin. 4. Run the program compatibility. Troubleshooter. 5. Check your antivirus program and ensure your security software allow your app or program through its settings. 6. Disable user account control. 7. Save the file in a different location, then move it in. Troubleshoot the issue or save your files in Windows Save mode.